नमस्कार. पळोवया प्रुडंट खबरो. काँग्रेस म्हणटा आमदार घट. पणजे बाबूश पर्रीकार आड रावता जाल्यार काँग्रेस ताका घेवंक तयार. सिनियर राणेक पुता आड प्रचाराची सक्ती ना. चेल्ला कुमार उलयलो. युती सरकारान सगळे साथी स्वेत. काँग्रेसीचे आमदार बीजेपीत येवपाचे चर्चेचेर पर्रीकार म्हणटात नो कॉमेंट्स. मात सरकार डिस्टर्ब करचो ना. पणजे 30% लीड काडपाचो विस्वास. सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे घटनात्मक खंडपीठान सुनावणेक घेतल्यो ट्रिपल तलाकाचेर याचिका. मुस्लीम बायलांनीच दिला आव्हान. खासा सुटयेंत सुनावण्यो घेवन विशय तडीक लायतले. मायन्स खात्यान 3 कडेन धाडी घालून धरले बेकायदेशीर रेंव, चिरे आनी खडी ट्रान्सपोर्ट करपी 25 टिपर. परवरे धरले 13, फोंडे 8, दिवचले 4. WRDत पारदर्शक भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त कारभार जाय म्हूण 3 वर्सां मायज एका कडेन पोस्टिंग आशिल्ले WRDच्या 85 AE, JE बाकीच्या स्टाफाच्यो सरप्रायज ट्रान्सफरी. आणि तरुण भारताक हरोवन गोवा दूत आंतर मिडिया विजय गाड स्मृती क्रिकेट वस्ताद. काँग्रेसीचे 16 आमदार एकठांय आसात. लोकांनी काँग्रेसीक दिल्लो कौल बीजेपीन हायजॅक केलो म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो गोंय प्रभारी चेल्ला कुमार उलयला. बाबूश पणजे पर्रीकार आड रावंक तयार आसत जाल्यार ताका परत पक्षांत घेवंक हरकत ना. वाळपय बाय इलेक्शनात सिनियर राणेक प्रचाराची अट घालचे ना हेंय चेल्ला कुमारान स्पश्ट केलें. काँग्रेसीचे 11 आमदार बीजेपीच्या वाटेर आसात म्हूण प्रुडंटाच्या रिपोर्टा उपरांत राजकीय खवदळ पडला. ताचेर चेल्ला कुमार उलयलो.
I don't think so. I don't think anybody will join the BJP because people have voted against BJP. Yes, naturally, anybody wants to sit in the ruling party. That is a natural course. Any MLA wants to sit always in the ruling party because they can do some work, development works in their respective constituencies. For that purpose, they used to ask. So now we have gone to the public, we requested the public, you vote for us, we will give a clear governance. With that commitment, only the people of Goa also have voted for us. They have totally rejected the BJP government. They defeated the BJP then Chief Minister and 7 ministers of them. And from 21 MLAs, they came down to 13. In that, Parrikar is also not an exception because Parrikar was the man who led the election campaign on behalf of the BJP. And he also sent a message to the people. If BJP is voted back to power, he will be the chief ministerial candidate. So people have totally rejected his leadership also. So after all these things, they had hijacked the mandate from the public. And in an unethical way, they have formed a government also. We thought that we will elect our leader first, then we will go to the governor. We never thought that the BJP will go to this level of unethical way. Because all along they will talk about only the principle, ideology, transparency, everything. But they formed the government throwing all their principles in the dustbin.
What are the strategies in Panji? Who will be the candidate for Panji?
No, in both the by-election, we will put our candidate.
Especially Panji, who will be your candidate?
No, that time when the time comes, we will definitely will tell.
Is Babush Mansarat joining back Congress?
No, that you have to that you have to ask him. I cannot say.
You are
But
open for.
he was our MLA earlier. There's nothing wrong in
He was
that.
expelled for 6 years. So will you take that decision back?
See, in an organization, expelling somebody, taking back, withdrawing that expulsion, this is all a part of the political decisions. You see, our internal decision. We have supported him in the Panjim general election, assembly election also. He was part of us. No doubt, everybody knows about it. He was part of us.
Is Congress open to take him back?
We have nothing, no reservation. We have no reservation.
Our discussion on with Babush Mansarat.
We are in close contact only, always. I don't know why you are asking this type of question. I couldn't understand. Because we are always in touch with him. He is also in touch with us.
Will Babush Mansarat be a candidate for Panji on Congress ticket?
No, that you have to ask him. See, how can I say that somebody, whether he will be the candidate, they will be the candidate, that I cannot say. Only after we have started the process, yes, we will come out with the candidate.
What about Vapai?
Valpai, lot of people has shown their interest, they want to contest in Congress party. A tremendous response I am getting from the people of the Valpai also. Definitely we will field a very good candidate, and I am very confident that in both the constituencies, with the support of the voters, we will win the election.
Okay. Vishwajit Rane, a son of senior Rane, Pratap Singh Rane, will be contesting from BJP ticket. So will you ask Pratap Singh Rane to campaign against him?
See, Congress party has its own way of functioning. We always believes in inclusive politics. We never divides anyone. We are against that. We always take everybody together. But BJP is not like that. They always used to divide the public on communal card and caste card, so many issues like that. So they always, even they don't bother about even making a split among the families also. So it is a senior Rane is a very senior politician, more than politician, he is a very big statements also in this. He is not only a Goa this thing. He is well known to the entire country, people knows about it. He has his own stature. People respect him for his integrity. So I respect him. He is my senior most leader. I don't want to put him in any embarrassing situation.
What will be his role in Vapai election?
No, it is free to him. If he wants, he can campaign in favor of the Congress. But I will not force him to campaign in Valpai. Definitely I will not force him.
सरकारांत युती पक्षांबरोबर आपण साथिस्वेत सरकाराच्या स्थिरतेत गोंधळ घालपाचें कारणच ना म्हणून पर्रीकार उलयला. काँग्रेसीचे कितलेशेच आमदार बीजेपीत येवंक सोदता म्हणून राजकीय चर्चा चल्ल्या ताचेर पर्रीकारान भुमिका स्पश्ट केली. पयलीं सावन आपली पसंत पणजेच. फाटले फावट 8% लीड ह्या फावट 30% व्हरता म्हूण तो उलयला. परत दिल्ली वतलो काय विचारल्यार म्हणटा 5 वर्सां तरी गोंयांतच.
काँग्रेसीचे आमदार बीजेपीत येवन सरकार पक्षात बसपाक सोदतात म्हणून राजकीय वर्तुळात चर्चा चल्ल्या. मात आनीक काँग्रेसीच्या आमदारांक बीजेपीत घेवन बरे चलिल्ल्या ह्या युतीच्या सरकाराची स्टॅबिलिटी डिस्टर्ब करपाची ना म्हणून पर्रीकार उलयला.
तो विशय ना पणजेचेर उलयता. पणजे आमचोच आमदार आशिल्लो तो विशय ना. आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी विथ द करंट स्टेट ऑफ coalition. It's functioning very smoothly. There is no reason for me to disturb the stability.
आपणे पणजे सोडून दुसऱ्या खंयच्याच मतदारसंघाचो विचार केलो ना म्हणून पर्रीकारान स्पश्ट केलें.
कुडचड्याचे कार्यकर्त्यांचे लोकांचे आनी पर्टिक्युलरली आमदाराचे हांव आभार मानूंक सोदता की ताणें कुडचडे आपलो सीट खाली करपाची तयारी दाखोवन एक बरें उदाहरण समोर दवरपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. हाजो कन्क्लुजन इतलेंच की पणजे 2 आमदार आनी कुडचड्याकूय 2 आमदार इनडायरेक्टली ताजो बेनिफीट दोनूय मतदारसंघाक जातलो. डेव्हलपमेंट करता आसतना हांव जसो पणजेचो डेव्हलपमेंट करतलो तशें हांवें प्रॉमीस दिला की कुडचड्या हांव लक्ष दिवन तांचें डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक जाय ती मदत दितलो. No, basically I was thinking only of Panji, to be frank. There was some people who said that why don't you contest from Kursari. For me, full state is my constituency. So any constituency is equally, while I said about Panji and Kursari, does not mean that other constituencies will not receive my attention. They will.
So, why did you take so much time to decide on Panjim?
Pardon?
Why did you delay so much deciding on Panjim?
No, I think we were waiting for GST bill to pass. So GST, when the GST bill passed, immediately the decision was declared.
Right from day one, your target was Panjim.
I never thought of anything other than Panji as far as I am concerned, because I have been elected from the city for so long. But there was some offer coming from Kurtade, so they had to be told as a matter of respect that thank you very much.
पणजे भाजपाचे विनिंग मार्जिन परत 30% हाडपाचे टार्गेट पर्रीकारान दवरला. लोकशाहीत कोणय खंयच्यानूय वेंचणूक लडोवपाक शकता अशें बाबूश मोन्सेराताचेर उलयतना पर्रीकारान सांगलें.
It is 8% margin, around 8% margin. So that is not narrow. Though it was not as high as 25-30 I was getting. I'll get back 30%.
आपूण फुडलीं 5 वर्सां गोंयच्याच राजकारणांत आसतलो म्हूण पर्रीकारान मुद्दाम स्पश्ट केलां. तिसऱ्या टप्प्यांतले खातें वांटपाचेर आनी उरिल्ल्या महामंडळ वांटपाचेरूय पर्रीकार उलयलो.
I am here in Goa. His 5 years term at least. You don't think of anything. Absolutely. Central party leadership has taken the decision and told me to go. खाती वांटपाच्या संदर्भान निर्णय योग्य टायमार घेतलो वतलो. तिसरे खातें दिवपाच्या संदर्भान let many of the ministers are new and the 2 departments are quite heavy departments. It's not that normally तिसरे department जे दिले वता ते lighter department. So that the department by itself does not make much difference. The 2 departments which are with most of the ministers. Panchayat election the one minister will get second portfolio because Panchayat election itself is a task for the minister to complete. ताजी election जावली
After Panchayat.
Health department is very heavy department and he has to also spend time in by-election.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे.
सुप्रीम कोर्टान मुस्लिमाचे ट्रिपल तलाकाचेर याचिका सुनावणेक घेतल्यो. ट्रिपल तलाकाची पद्दत बायलांच्या घटनात्मक मूलभूत हक्कां आड म्हूण प्रथे आड 7 आव्हान याचिका आयल्यात. तातूंत 5 मुस्लीम बायलांच्यो. कोर्टान एका दमान सुनावण्यो घेवन विशय तडीक लावपाचें थारायलां. सरन्यायाधीश JS खेहराच्या मुखेलपणान हिंदू, मुस्लीम, ख्रिश्चन, सीख, पारसी अशा 5 धर्माचे जुईजांचे खंडपीठ ही केस आयकता.
ट्रिपल तलाकाचो इश्यू एकदाचे तडीक लायतले म्हूण सुप्रीम कोर्ट सगळ्यो याचिका एकठांय घेवन बसला. सरन्यायाधीशाच्या मुखेलपणान 5 जुईजांच्या घटनात्मक खंडपीठान खासा मायाच्या सुटयेत वेळ पडल्यार शेनवार आयतारा सुद्धा सुनावण्यो घेवन विशय एका दमान तडीक लावपाचें थारायलां. 7 याचिका घाल्यात तातूंत 5 याचिका तलाक पीडित मुस्लिम बायलांच्यो.
आज की ये सुनवाई के बाद हम यही होप रख रहे हैं कि हम जैसे विक्टिम्स को पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट आना, जिससे कि आगे चल के कोई भी लड़की को तकलीफ न होना ट्रिपल तलाक को लेके. जैसा निर्भया के केस में इतने साल बाद भी उसको इंसाफ मिला, हम भी ये उम्मीद रख रहे हैं कि हमारे भी ये ट्रिपल तलाक को लेके इंसाफ मिलेगा।
मेरे को इंडियन लॉ और सुप्रीम कोर्ट पर यही भरोसा है कि हम लोग को अच्छे से अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलेगा, क्योंकि बल्कि बोले तो निर्भया केस में जिस तरीके से इंसाफ मिला है, हम लोग को भी वही इंसाफ की उम्मीद है इंडियन लॉ और सुप्रीम कोर्ट से। हम लोग की शरीयत में ट्रिपल तलाक देना है, पर ये चीज़ को मिसयूज कर रहे हैं, उस वजह से बैन करना ज़रूरी है।
शरिया कायद्याचे संहितीकरण जावंक जाय म्हूण याचिकादाराची मागणी।
हमारी तरफ से फाइनल आर्गुमेंट भी यही है कि जो शरिया लॉ है इसका कोडिफिकेशन हो जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर शरिया लॉ का कोडिफिकेशन हो जाएगा, इससे ना तो मजहब में कोई आंच आएगी और ना मजहब का जो लोग कह रहे हैं कि मजहब के खिलाफ है, मजहब का इंटरफेरेंस है, वो सारी चीजें भी सिक्योर हो जाएंगी। और क्योंकि शरिया में इतना बेहतरीन हिसाब दिया हुआ है, इतने बेहतरीन लॉज हैं, उससे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का भी जो है वो कोई इस तरह का मदाखलत नहीं होगी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, और वो उसका कोई क्लैश नहीं होता है। तो हमारी डिमांड बस यही है कि कोडिफिकेशन हो जाना चाहिए। और जो ये मौलवी मौलाना अपनी राजनीति कर रहे हैं, अपने दारुल कज़ा चला रहे हैं और अपने फैमिली लॉज जो हैं वो जबरदस्ती इन्होंने लोगों पर थोप रखे हैं, ये कोर्ट में जाने से लोगों को रोकते हैं और नेशन की मेन स्ट्रीम में लोगों को आने से रोकते हैं, तो वो सब चीजों का एंड हो जाना चाहिए।
मोदी सरकार आणि बीजेपीनूय हो मूलभूत घटनात्मक हक्कांचो इश्यू करून प्रकरण तडीक लावपाचें थारायलां।
3 तलाक की हर पीड़ित महिला के साथ मजबूती से खड़ी है। 3 तलाक का विषय न धर्म का है, न पूजा पद्धति का है, न किसी समुदाय का है। 3 तलाक का विषय है नारी न्याय, नारी गरिमा, नारी समानता, जेंडर जस्टिस, जेंडर डिग्निटी, जेंडर इक्वालिटी।
ट्रिपल तलाक हो विषय मूलभूत हक्कांचे चौकटीत येता काय ना ताची शक्यता सुप्रीम कोर्ट पयली तपासतले, मात सुनावणी फक्त तलाका पुरती आसतली। मुस्लिमांच्या बहुभार्या पद्धतीच्या इशूत कोर्ट सध्या वच्चे ना अशें खंडपीठान स्पष्ट केलां। सुप्रीम कोर्टान निकाल खंयचे वटेन दिलो तरी मुस्लिम लॉ बोर्ड त्या निकालाचेर कितें भूमिका घेता ती गजाल वेगळी। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट।
घेऊ एक ब्रेक।